Om Shanti. Hello friends, welcome to Himalaya Shakti Tantra. Today I am going to make another video on the series that I start Purak Rechak Kumbhak, inhalation, retention and exhalation on the ratios. What kind of a ratios Himalayan yogic follows. So I make already two videos on 1:1:1 ratio and the second is 1:1:2 ratio. So this ratio is very important if you practicing every day those ratios. And I told you also, not even 1:1:1 you need to follow. You can follow, you can increase slowly like 2:2:2, 3:3:3, 4:4:4, as much as you can increase. These are the ratio you can follow. So now I'm going to given you a little advance that you can do after this, because breathing exercise is the real power in your body, means life force. So if you practice every day, so you can travel through your breath, through your life force inside, because four elements you can experience, but fifth element you are not able to experience because you are not aware, because it's a very micro level. The earth element you experience every day, every time your body, your skin made with the earth element. The second element is water. Slowly it's going to up. First is root, means earth. The sacral is water. Water element you experience, you feel tears, you feel sweat in your body, in your stomach, you feel water. The third element is fire in your solar plexus chakra. The fire element you also experience every day, because when you eat, you digest the food, you feel heat, you feel fever in your body. That is the fire. The fifth element is air in your heart chakra. You feel air all the time. You experience when you're talking, when you're inhaling, it's just a experience of fourth element, that is air. The fifth element, that is ether, sky, you didn't experience, that is the throat chakra. Why you didn't experience? Because we're living our life externally, not internally. For the internal life, you need to do yoga, breathing and meditation and mantra chanting. These pattern will realize you, because with the breath you can experience the sky, the ether. The sixth element is light in the between of your eye, the eyebrows. The sixth element also you didn't experience in your life. It's not about the sunlight, it's all about the light that is inside you. But when you close your eyes, you feel different colors and sometimes black, the darkness. You never experience that light inside you because you are not aware. The seventh is everywhere, means I am everything. So there is no attachment, because every attachment related with your physical body, every single attachment in this universe with your physical body on earth, the second with your astral body, the third with your subtle body. These three body create attachments, ego, pain, fear, greed, lust in your life. But when you go beyond these bodies, when you reach to yourself, you can say soul, energy, super consciousness, whatever name you can call, it doesn't matter. The matter is who you are. When you realize here in the crown chakra, you experience there is no one. I am exist everywhere in this whole universe, because the physically everyone is different, but spiritually, energetically, soulfully, we all are one. So this journey, the Purak Rechak Kumbhak, inhalation, retention and exhalation journey will take you there. Means inside, layer by layer, you can remove the illusion and you can see the reality, the truth, who you are, and you can realize. So the third ratio is 4:16:8. 4 inhalation, 16 holding, 8 exhalation, means seconds. 4 second inhalation, then 16 second retention, holding your breath inside, and 8 second exhalation. Keep doing this practice with this method. Inhale, Increase the diaphragm very slowly, no jerk, no force, no sound, no irregularities. Always observe your breath. Am I jerking? Am I sounding? Am I forcing? My breath is irregular. You need to observe only. Just inhale very slowly, increase the diaphragm when you're inhaling, then hold your breath for 16 seconds and then exhale very slowly 8 seconds, and slowly your stomach will go in. This is the right method you have to follow, and this is the third ratio that I share with you, 4, 16, 18, and you will feel the meditation means thoughtless stage. You can say zero dimension in the Buddhism, but it's a thoughtless. When there is no thinking, no thoughts about good, about bad, you just neutral. When you neutral, then you start automatically receive energies from this universe, and that energy help you to inner journey. And this is the method you need to follow, and slowly, because when your mind is centered, relaxed, calm, controlled, then automatically you start connecting with the real power, with your energies, with yourself. So it will give you lots of benefits. I cannot share as much as benefits here. It's unlimited benefits you will receive, because I don't want to make a long videos. It's just a series, so I'm just making small videos. Every single benefit you will receive physically, mentally, spiritually, I can say that. Any disease you can heal with this kind of breath exercises, physically or mentally, and then you can connect with your spiritual bodies, spiritual powers, spiritual energies, and spiritual emotions, the true emotions, and you can remove every negative and traumatic and past karmic diseases effects from your life, and you can live healthy, wealthy, and spiritually. So enjoy these breathing exercises. I hope you understand that easily, because I try to always make easy videos in an easy way so you can understand better, and keep practice and enjoy your life to transform from the illusion to reality. Then you can live fearless, painless, and without the attachment of your life. Then there is no I, only one exists, it's me, and there is nothing. So there is no pain. If only you exist in this whole universe, there is no reason to be attached with every single thing. Even you can manifest your materialistic life. It will transform and convert your materialistic life in the good way. So you can enjoy your physical pleasure also with the awareness, and slowly you will realize when you start growing, we don't need this. I already enjoying. And the one thing is, the semen retention is the power. Don't waste your semen. Don't waste your real life force. Always control during the practices of your spirituality, so you will see incredible changes inside you. Om Shanti.